Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSc Tech with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove Yahoo from your Chrome search browser. This is a very easy and straightforward process. As you can see on my screen, we have Yahoo browser still displaying. First thing you need to do is go inside the settings page and click on appearances, and then click on search engines and make sure that we don't have Yahoo here, it's only Chrome. Then the next part is you need to go inside the search engine section and then go on the second tab, which is manage search engines, and then select from here. You can see a huge list of Yahoo browser showing under different umbrellas, so we have to delete them one by one. You can click on these three dots and then click delete. Very simple and easy. You have to go through all of these one by one in order to remove them. For some reason, even if one of them is still left, then it will not disappear. Some of them, they are hiding in additional sites data as well. You don't know which site you have access and where you have installed a third-party plugin, which is causing all this problem. So let's keep going through this and let's keep removing them one by one, and let's remove this as well. Once they are removed, then you can move on to the next step. Let's reopen a Google Chrome browser and see if it's still there. Yes, it's still there. Quite annoying. Now we have to fix this with a different approach. Let's go inside the Google Chrome first and let's jump into the settings. Let's open Google Chrome again and let's open three dot settings. Click on settings page, and then after that we have to go inside reset settings. This will erase all those plugins and create a restore point where Google Chrome was recently updated from. In case if you go for this option, then click on reset settings, then open the browser, and there you go. The Yahoo is gone from here and it's now left with Google search engine logo. That's it guys, on how easy it was in order to remove and fix this problem. Let's open Google and see if this is still there. There's nothing left on the system. All the cookies and the data is also gone with that, so you have to use your username and passwords in order to log into different websites. That's it for today's video guys. Thumbs up, like, subscribe and share. Take care. Bye bye.